I bet I've swept over a ton of stuff off this floor. What's up, gang? What's going on today? It's too windy out for me to burn. I've got to burn the garden off, so I'm gonna take the old Squire, sitting right there, and spread the leaves out, the mulched up leaves. Get everything ready to burn. Got a couple wood piles to pick up, got some trimming to do in some flower beds. My raspberry patch, I got a bunch of ugly trees to cut out of there. So nothing real exciting. But if something exciting happens today, besides me sweeping this floor and doing what I gotta do outside, I'm gonna turn it on. So we'll see you guys. All cleared out, ready for my raspberries to grow. We'll see what happens. Catch you guys over at the garden. Yep, got to run the old generator for a little while. It's my house standby. Came out of a '86 Winnebago RV. It's only got 311 hours on it. Pulled the hour meter off the dash of the RV. Pulled the unit. The RV was good. It only had 64,000 miles on it. But when I sold it, gentleman I sold it to said he was going with a Honda generator. So I just unbolted it, dropped it down from underneath the RV, and he drove off, and there it sat. So I put wheels on it, and got a little hitch here I can use to troll it around if I need power in the yard somewhere. Let's see if she's going to behave. She's got a fuel pump. I've had the battery plugged in for a bit, so the fuel pump should have everything primed. Let's see if we start. It'll spit and sputter a bit till the choke opens up. Well, she's acting all right. I turned this up on high. It's 1500 watt, so it ran it just fine. As the load increases, as does its output, I've got it tuned to 60 hertz, which is normal for a generator. It was running too high when I first got it out of the RV, but got her all dialed in. I'm going to let it run a little while longer, get the engine up to operating temp, and commence to the rest of my day's work. So stay tuned. I promise you guys I absolutely will be on the next one. please smash that like button for me. It helps my channel, it helps me out, and it also helps me bring you guys better content by being able to upgrade my equipment. Smash that like button. I'll typically get a couple hundred views within 24 hours. Let's see if we can't get 100 likes out of that 200 views in 24 hours. I would really, really appreciate it. Alright, that's it. This is Zippo. I will catch you guys on the next one later. I'm out of here. Man, that's a pretty truck. It's my absolute favorite body style. I just love Clifford. If I had a sentimental attachment to anything, it would be Old Blue and Clifford, just because they both came from neighbors. I need to polish my lens. A little bit of oxidization going on up there. See down here, shiny, up here, oxidization. Same thing here. You can fix that. A little bit of rubbing compound, a little bit of time. You can pull all that off of there. Anyway, just getting ready to move the generator back, put Clifford back in its hiding spot. Thought I'd, how dare you? Thought I'd shoot the camera on real quick and see how we even got a wasp that thinks it's pretty. No, you're not allowed in there. You need, no, come on, you need to come out of there. Oh well. Anyway, Easter dinner tomorrow at 2 p.m. Mama Sue just texted me. Alright, later guys. I'm going to show you guys what a wore out 8 horsepower engine is capable of. Watch how the old Squire here moves this stuff around. Try that with your new machines.